Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Gemini, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Gemini. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy, so if you want more clarity, you can watch that, Gemini. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine. She is a very good intuitive reader and she gives personal reading in fever, so you can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So today we have 7 of Wands in reverse, Sun, and 8 of Swords in reverse. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work, maybe in your relationship, you are someone, a really honest person. You are trying to do things the right way and trying to trying to work towards something good for you, for the people you love, people who are with you. But today maybe you would have done something in your work, maybe, or in your relationship. Maybe you have made some decisions. It was totally unintentional, but it is causing a lot of embarrassment, anxiety for you. Maybe you have spoken something and it is hurting the people around you, or you have done something and that is the reason for the way things are going in this relationship. Maybe your words or your behavior. So it may be your energy or your person's energy. So your actions or words were totally unintentional. You never planned this. You never planned this to happen. But you have done something that is creating a lot of anxiety for this person, and maybe this person you love. They are quite worried, they are a lot stressed, and you may feel a lot embarrassed today for the way things are going. Embarrassed of your mistakes, feeling really sad and guilty. Maybe you have done this unintentionally, but still you're feeling little sad that this relationship has come to this situation. So things are in going in a negative way. Maybe they feel a lot hurt and sad. They don't know what to do. Maybe they are really confused. Maybe they were interested in you, they love you, but still the way things are going, maybe they are also embarrassed of what you did or what you spoke. And maybe for some of you, Gemini, this person is even thinking of leaving you. Maybe it is, this decision is really killing them, but still they don't know what to do today, how to handle this circumstance, and they just want to take a break, maybe take time to think And maybe for some of you, Gemini, this is a very positive card here, the Sun card. Your circumstances will change for the better. Let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Two of Swords in reverse. So maybe this person, whatever they did, maybe it may be your mistake or their mistake. Whatever they did, they are totally embarrassed about it, but still, there are certain things irreversible in this relationship. Certain things you cannot change, though you wish for, though you wish to change, you are unable to change. That is what I see. So, that is the energy here, Gemini. Maybe for some of you, after some time, if you are quite patient, if you can wait for them to get over this hurt, circumstances may resolve. So for your career situation, we have one card. We will see what it is. It's Five of Wands in reverse. So in your work circumstances, you are striving really hard maybe, but you will see positive changes happening today in your life, in your career. So your hard work will definitely be paying off, Gemini. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstance, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's see what is the first card for those who chose this card. Fork in the road. So maybe today you are making an important decision, something you need to do, and you are in a circumstance you have to make a choice today. And this is the time of evolution of your relationship. So will you choose to go towards a possibility of a deeper commitment or moving away from this person, maybe walking away? So what is it that you want? You must make a choice that is true to your intentions. So it must be a honest decision, something you must base on the truth you have within yourself. So there is nothing right or wrong in a choice today. So if you move forward with this relationship, it just means that you truly love this person and this decision is based on truth, and you will have made a conscious choice today rather than simply hanging because you don't want to be alone or ending things because you are afraid of a genuine connection. So today the energy with this card is all roads lead to the lessons you need to learn in this relationship. So there is nothing right about this choice and nothing wrong about the other choice. So regardless of the decision you make, you should make a decision based on your truest intentions. So what you truly feel and what you honestly desire, that is what must be the, that must be the deciding thing in this choice. So you must make the choice that is true to your heart. That is what this card is about, authentic choice. When you do that, you will be moving on the right path no matter what choice you make today. So that is the energy here. And for those who chose this card, that is a reading for you all today. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have the Nixie of Mill Pond. So, with this card, the energy is that maybe you are quite emotional and you are trying to avoid a particular circumstance because you want to avoid that emotional situation and you want complete control, but you are unable to control your feelings and your emotions. And today, this card is about facing the circumstance. So, whatever it may be, you need to face that emotional situation, whether you are afraid of it, afraid of handling those emotions, whatever it is. If you face that circumstance, you are just going to overcome all the fears and you are just going to free yourself of this curse of fear of certain emotions today. And this circumstance is here to create a emotional change in your life. That is the reason you are in this situation, facing up your fears, and you will be tested. But when you face the emotions that you have been avoiding till now, that will be the end of sorrow you are experiencing because of these emotions, and it will bring joy, happiness, and love, and it will bring recognition of your true soul family. Maybe people who are truly close to you, who are truly concerned about you. You will be able to identify those people today if you face this circumstance, and instead of avoiding something, you need to have that courage and strength, determination to face it and get it over with. So that is the energy here with this card. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.